Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you how to activate your Uber deactivated account. But first, check our special offer in the description. So let's get started. Now, if your Uber account has been deactivated and you're trying to use it again, well, there are a few things that you may want to know here. Now, the thing with reactivating your Uber account or your Uber driver account, you first need to understand that Uber accounts can only be activated by support themselves. You won't be able to activate this yourself, so you need to reach out to support. So to do that, what you need to do is you want to go to uber.com, their official website. You want to go and scroll down to the very bottom of their page here, and you want to go and just choose Visit Help Center. Now, inside the Help Center, you want to go and just choose the option here that says Riders. Now, inside Riders, what you need to do is you want to go ahead and just choose the option that says Account. Now, from here, you want to go and just choose the option here that says Can't Sign In or Request a Trip. And from here, what you need to do is you want to go ahead and choose whichever option actually, or whichever option is right for you or that best describes your current situation. Now, if you lost access to your phone number, you can go and select that. If you left your phone or you're using a different phone, you can go and just choose the either phone or vehicle here. And if you have a pending amount that's not been cleared, you can go and just choose this one. Now, the thing with this one is you can only choose one of this following. Now, just in case, like for example, you're not a rider and you're a driver here, how do you exactly reactivate your account? Now, this one is quite the same. So instead of choosing rider, you need to choose driving and delivering. Now, in here, what we need to do is you want to go and choose the option that says account and app. Now, inside that, you want to go and choose the can't sign in or go online. Now, from here, you want to go and choose the option that says can't sign in. That's going to ask you a few things. Now, you want to scroll down a bit here and you want to go and just choose the following option. So why can't you sign in into your account? So maybe let's just say another reason here. And you can go and just maybe provide the following details like your first name and last name that is included in your account, and also list the associated email address on that account. Also, phone numbers here and last digit of the driver's license number also required, and the location or what location you're trying to drive in this case. So yeah, once you provide all the details and provide your circumstances and basically describe what's currently happening in here, you should have the option to reach out to support, and they would basically have interactions with you, asking you what happened and what you're trying to do. Maybe provide certain details like documentations if you can, your recent trips if you have those, and basically they will be able to help you in reactivating your account. But that's about it. So if you found this video, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.